Stefie took a square piece of paper and folded one vertex to the center of the square. Next, he folded the paper along the symmetry axis of the figure, obtaining a quadrilateral. What is the measure of the quadrilateral's length angle? A few things you need to know is that a square has the angle of 90 degrees. And another thing you need to know is quadrilateral. All the sum of the angles in a quadrilateral need to be 360 degrees. So that means this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. When we divide 90 degree into two equal parts, we get 45 plus 45. And this is what happened over here. Our 90 degree was divided into 45 degrees, right? And then because there was this thing, it's a straight line and a straight line passed through it, we are getting a 90 degree angle. So this is 90, this is 90, and this is 45 degrees. We just don't know what this angle will be. And if you know what obtuse angles are greater than 90 degree but smaller than 180 degree, and that is what this green angle looks like. It looks like an obtuse angle. So what I'll do is, I know that all the angles in this quadrilateral should be equal to 360 degree. So I'll do 360 degree is equal to 90 degree plus 45 degree plus 90 degree and plus a question mark. I'm not sure what it is. So I do 360 is equal to 90 plus 90 is 180. 180 plus 45 is 225 plus a question mark. So I'll ask myself, 225 plus what is 360 degrees? And that's 135. So that's my answer. Okay, because 135 plus 225 is 360 degrees.